In this video, I'm going to talk you through my summer capsule wardrobe for the over 60 woman, and keep watching till the end when I reveal the most important item for an over 60 woman to pack in her suitcase. Welcome to my capsule wardrobe for the summer for the over 60 woman. These are the 15 pieces that I'm going to be taking on my holiday very shortly, and this will be the first time that I've actually left the UK to go on holiday to France in this instance, and I cannot wait. But I don't want to be taking a load of clothes that I'm not going to wear, which I'm sure we all do. So I thought it would be really useful for me, and also hopefully for you as well, for me to show you the clothes that I will be taking on holiday. Now, I'm not saying I won't add maybe the odd one or two extra items, but basically this is going to be my pared down travel capsule wardrobe for a beach / slightly inland kind of holiday. So without further ado, let's crack on. So the first item that I'm going to be taking on my holidays is this pair of Oysho black linen trousers. So they are, first of all, incredibly comfortable. As you can see, they have an elasticated waist, which of course we all love, particularly over the last couple of years. I think elasticated waists have really made a comeback because we've all been working at home or been stuck at home and we want comfort. But I think you'll agree these are incredibly stylish. Not terribly expensive, can't remember off the top of my head now how much they are, but I'll link everything down below. Now these are new, but not everything I'm taking on holiday is new, so anything that isn't new, I will try and find an alternative if they're not available. They're from this brand called Oysho. It's a slightly strange name for a Spanish company, or maybe it isn't, because it's part of Zara, but Oysho sits under that brand. And I can't remember how I discovered them now, but they are an online brand and I'm pretty sure they do ship to the States, or they may well be in the States. All the details will be down below for you. So I think these are a fantastic addition to a summer wardrobe. First of all, because they're linen, and as we know, linen is a fantastically breathable, comfortable fabric to wear in the summer. Yes, I know it does crease, but that is just part of having a linen item. You just have to go with it really. But actually I have to say these, well, I suppose they have creased slightly at the back. Actually I left the label on because I haven't actually worn them out yet, so they will crease a bit inevitably. Because they're roomy around the leg, they let the air circulate, so they're incredibly comfortable for that reason alone. Actually we've just started having a heat wave here in the UK, so looking forward to wearing these here as well as on holiday. But they are a really great addition to my summer capsule wardrobe, and they go with absolutely everything. A t-shirt, a shirt, even a smart silk shirt, a jumper, whatever you want to pair them with, they will go with. And they'll also go with my Birkies, they'll go with my cream sandals that I've just bought, which I'll come to in a moment. They are a really brilliant addition to my summer capsule wardrobe. So the next item I'm going to be taking in my capsule wardrobe when I go on holiday is this linen shirt from Uniqlo. Now again, another piece of linen, again, a beautiful shirt. This is not a linen blend, this is a pure linen. I think it's softer than the linen shirt I bought from Uniqlo a few years ago, which seemed a lot rougher than this. This is much softer. It might be a linen blend actually. Anyway, it'll all be linked down below for you. This is also new. I really love the colour. I don't really know what colour you'd call it, but in real life, I don't know what it's looking like on camera. It's a slightly sort of lilac-y white, if there is such a colour, and I really love it. I think it's incredibly flattering. And it goes with everything. It goes with shorts, it goes with trousers. I personally like to leave it loose. You could put a t-shirt underneath it and wear it as a kind of cover up in the evening. I haven't actually worn it out yet, but I'm really looking forward to doing so. Now, the next piece that is absolutely invaluable in a capsule wardrobe when you're going to the beach or you're going on holiday is a long-sleeved t-shirt. Now, this one's from Arket. It's in a beautiful soft cotton. It's an oversized style, which I really like. I get it in an extra small, but it's very, very roomy, as you can see, incredibly comfortable, really lovely soft cotton and very inexpensive. I think this one was about £17, so not expensive at all. They wash beautifully and they go with everything. Again, they go with the trousers, they go with the cream trousers, which I'll be showing you shortly. I think Arket are a really interesting brand. They're Scandinavian. I think they might be owned by H&M. And they do really great clothes at quite reasonable prices. I'd say they're mid-price, so they're not as reasonable as Uniqlo. They're a kind of step up from Uniqlo, but still really good quality. And £17 for a t-shirt is really not expensive, I would say. And talking of t-shirts, I also have a couple of short-sleeved ones. I bought two the same. I really fancied V-necks. I seem to have rather a lot of round necks, and I wanted to get away from that. And I thought for the summer it'd be nice to have a couple of V-necks. I've got a pink one and a white one, and these are from Cos, which again is a little bit like Arket. It is Scandinavian. I'm not sure who owns Cos, but it might be part of the same H&M group, I'm not sure. But again, these also I think were £17. Very versatile, go with anything, comfortable, soft, beautiful fabric actually. Again, very, very washable, and really love them, and a great addition to any summer wardrobe. You can pop them over your swimsuit, wear them with shorts, wear them dressed up, wear them dressed down. Really great, especially if you want to wear them in the evening. And I think a V-neck is quite flattering if you want to show a bit of cleavage. So really love these t-shirts from Cos. Now, here is a shirt from Lilysilk. Now, I know Lilysilk is very much favoured by a lot of women on YouTube, and I'm one of them. I absolutely love them. I think I first came across them on Audrey Coyne's channel, and if you haven't seen Audrey, she is absolutely fantastic. I'll link her channel down below for you. And I think she first mentioned Lilysilk, or at least that was the first time I'd seen them or heard of them a few years ago. And I decided to take the plunge, and I bought a black silk one, and I talked about that in a video last year or maybe earlier this year. I decided to get a cream one because I thought it would be great for the summer, and here it is. I absolutely love it. They're not super expensive, I think about £98, but they wash brilliantly, and I've stained my black one a few times and it's washed perfectly, and I just thought it would be nice to get a light one to take on holiday. So this, I think you can dress up or dress down. I think with the cream trousers or the linen trousers, they go very, very well, and it's just got a beautiful feel to it. It's slightly see-through, but one of the things I really like is round here. See this beautiful hem? This is actually not at all tight, but it's not too loose. It just fits really perfectly. And this is, I've got this in a size, see, this is in a size extra small as well. I think there's some vanity sizing going on here, but anyway, incredibly comfortable and looks really, really stylish. Now, wherever you're going on holiday, you do need to take a sweater, unless perhaps you're going to the Maldives or somewhere. So this fantastic sweater by Oysho, again, I absolutely love. And I have worn this and worn this because it's one of those cotton jumpers. It's heavy cotton that you can put something underneath it. You can wear a base layer, or you can wear it on its own. It's been an absolute staple of my spring summer wardrobe, I'd say, and I wear it a huge amount. But I will definitely be taking it on holiday with me because you never know, in the cooler evenings you might need something around your shoulders. I think it's a real must-have to take on holiday because you can't be 100% sure that it's going to be hot all the time. Now, believe it or not, I am going to be taking a dress on holiday. And I don't wear dresses very often, but I am going to be taking this dress. In fact, I'll let you into a little secret. I've actually got two of these. I've got a stripy one as well. I may just take the one, I don't know yet. Just depends how much room I've got in my luggage. But this dress I bought last year from Gap, and it's just a t-shirt dress, that's all it is. Sorry, it's got a few little bits on it. But it's incredibly comfortable, and I think you can really dress this up if you want to. But most of the time I'm just going to probably pop it over my swimsuit if I'm by the beach or hanging around the house or in the garden. It's a nice length. I think it's not too short, which I don't really like. I don't really want to show my knees, to be honest. I don't really want to show my varicose veins. Well, they're not really varicose veins, but they're kind of, you know what I mean. Anyway, I don't really want to show them if I don't have to. So I think this is a really great addition to just pop over your swimsuit, or if you're popping to the shop. And I think it's a really great addition to a summer capsule wardrobe. Now, one other pair of trousers I will be taking are an old pair of Uniqlo cream jeans. Now, I hummed and hawed about whether to take a white pair of jeans or a cream pair of jeans, and I decided in the end to take a cream pair. Partly because I think they go really well with the cream blouse, and they honestly go well with all the other t-shirts as well, even though they're different colours. So these are they're lovely and stretchy. I bought them from Uniqlo a good few years ago, so I'll try and find a similar pair and link them down below for you. I quite like them with the tops turned up because I don't really like turning up legs, you know, officially, as it were. I prefer to just, you know, fiddle around with them. So I think they look fine turned up just by hand, but they're really great. Now, the thing about cotton trousers is, because they're sort of fitted, I wouldn't wear them on a regular basis. I'd only wear these to go out in the evening. I wouldn't wear them in the day because it's too hot. I mean, where I'm going, probably going to be in the early 30s, which is probably, I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit now. We used to be Fahrenheit, now we're centigrade. Don't know where we are, but anyway, it probably around in the 80s probably. So, but tight cotton trousers are not really what you want to wear, but these aren't too tight. They're very stretchy. And I think if you wear them in the evening with sandals and a nice light top, I think they're absolutely perfect for going out and just elevating your look a bit. Now let's talk swimwear. Yes, so I've decided to buy a couple of swimsuits, and this is one of them. I'm going to be taking a couple. I mean, to be honest, I'll probably pack my old Tommy Bahama swimsuit that I bought a few years ago as well. But this is a new one, and I bought this from Oysho. I used to be really rigid about buying swimsuits that had underwire bras, but actually I think this swimsuit really fits me very well. It's incredibly soft and comfortable. How many times can I say soft and comfortable in a video? But honestly, that's what we want. We're going to a hot climate. We do not want to feel tight and constricted. We want to feel loose in the caboose, as my husband says. So I think this is a really great swimsuit. I bought a couple of these. They're about £39, I think, so not super expensive. Oysho do quite plain colours, but there was a floral one which I bought, but it had a bit of an odd back, so I decided it wasn't really for me. So I want to improve my swimming when I go on holiday, because I've never been able to do the crawl very well, and finally about 3 years ago I sort of cracked it, and of course I haven't been away since, so I need to practice it. And rather than having a bikini, having a swimsuit with straps hopefully will stay put while I try and do the crawl. Now let's talk about shorts. And these shorts I have had for about 5 or 6 years actually, and they're from Gap, so very reasonably priced. A nice big circumference, which is always important to me. And in fact, if you want to know about circumferences, I did a whole video, not just about circumferences, but about jeans and how to find the perfect fit for you. And I'll link that up in the corner for you. But anyway, these shorts are amazingly comfortable. There I go again, comfortable, the C word. They are, and I will try and find a similar pair. I mean, I think Gap sizing works quite well for me, so I'll see if I can find a pair that's sized in the same way. But unfortunately, they never give you the circumference measurements on the website, but I'll do my best to find a similar pair. Anyway, great to have a pair of shorts. They're not too long, they're not too short. I can't wear denim shorts, I just can't. I find them too restricting around the tum in particular, but these are nice and loose. I think they're an absolute must-have for a summer capsule wardrobe. Let's talk about sandals now, and I've got these by Dune, and I have these Birkenstocks. Now the Birkenstocks I bought last year, and I've never owned a pair of Birkenstocks before, but I absolutely love them. Incredibly comfortable, again the C word, but they are, and it is important. But I have to say, these from Dune, I really love them. I bought a pair of black trainer type shoes from Dune last year, and I've been wearing them non-stop since I bought them. So I thought I'd try Dune again for some sandals, and I really love these. I mean, you can see they're a little bit higher. They've got a sort of not a platform sole exactly, but they're very cushiony inside. And again, they weren't super expensive. I think they were about £70, something like that. But they've got beautifully soft leather, and I really love them. I mean, I haven't actually worn them out yet, but I'm really looking forward to wearing them. And I think you can style them with everything. They go with the shorts, they go with the cream trousers, they go with the black linen trousers, they go with everything really, and so looking forward to wearing these on holiday. So that's my 2 pairs of sandals. Now, my other accessories will consist of, firstly, this beautiful handbag, again from Dune. Now, I think this is an absolutely fabulous bag, and I mean, it's not exactly a dupe, but it's not that dissimilar to the really super expensive Loewe bag, which a lot of young YouTubers are talking about at the moment. Now, this was about £90, I think, and the Loewe is something like £300 or £400. So, okay, the Loewe has a much more discreet sort of leather patch on the front. But honestly, this is a great bag, and I have actually started to use it quite a lot already. I'm not going to be carrying your beach towel in it, but it's got a decent size. I can get my wallet in there. I can get my glasses and my glasses case, which is quite wide, and my sunglasses, of which more later. It's got a little extra pocket there. I think it also has one of those leather pouchy things that you could put your credit cards in if you wanted to, but I'm not bothered. I love the fact that it's crossbody. I'm not used to wearing, well, it's a long time since I've worn a crossbody bag, but I really like it. I think it's incredibly stylish and just a great addition to a summer capsule wardrobe, because if you want to take a shopping bag as well, if you're going to the shops or whatever, fine. I'm just going to use a canvas bag that I got free from my glasses company, actually. But this is a really lovely addition, and because it's crossbody, it's also safer when you're traveling. You're less likely to get things pinched out of it. So really great bag, absolutely love it. And Dune are fast becoming one of my favorite accessory brands. So before I tell you the one thing that every woman over 60 should be packing in her suitcase if she's going on holiday, I want to talk to you about my sunglasses. Now, as you've seen in the inserts, I have got some fabulous sunglasses, and these I bought for myself last year from a company called Expressive Cherry. Now, I've talked about them briefly before, I think, but after I bought these, I was very kindly gifted another 3 pairs by the company, and I think they are absolutely fabulous. Now, this isn't sponsored, I don't have a discount code, but they were gifted to me, these 3. I got these because they were recommended on Instagram by Linda's Style Tips, and she had a discount code, so I used that and I purchased these. They were very reasonably priced, and then I was gifted these other 3, and I just want to show you how beautiful they are because I think they're worth every penny. They're around about £25 a pair. I mean, look at them, they're just gorgeous, and they feel really solid. Not heavy, because then they wouldn't be comfortable to wear, but they just feel so good. See, I like tortoiseshell and black. They're my favourite for glasses. But aren't they just the most beautiful glasses? They really are fabulous, and as I say, they feel incredibly solid. So all the styles will be linked below for you, and I know they do ship worldwide. Now let's talk about the final piece in your capsule wardrobe, the final jigsaw piece that you need to take with you on your holidays if you're an over 60 woman. And that piece is a hat. Now don't laugh, you're an over 60 woman. You need to look after your skin. You do not want to get sunburnt. You do not want to get age spots. You don't want to get lesions. You don't want to get anything more sinister than that. Answer me this, how many times have you been on holiday, like me, forgotten to pack your hat, or you've left it somewhere, you arrive at your destination, you have to go to one of those awful souvenir shops and buy a kiss me quick hat or equivalent, or, you know, I went to wherever I went to and all I got was this lousy hat. You don't want to be doing that. You want a hat that you think suits you, that's perfect for the shape of your head, like this one is, or at least I think it is. I think this is absolutely fabulous. Now, I'm not going to use the C word again, although it is very, but it also suits me. It goes with everything I'm taking with me, and it shields my face from the sun. That is the most important thing. So this is the most important item you need to pack in your suitcase, your sun hat. So there you have it. That's my capsule wardrobe for the over 60 woman to take on a beach holiday or similar. I really hope that this capsule wardrobe video has been helpful to you, and if it has, I'd be so grateful if you'd give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below. Let me know, am I talking complete you know what, or does this agree with the sort of clothes that you want to be taking with you? I can't promise that I won't add the odd extra here and there, but basically this is what I'm going to be taking with me, and I will be travelling all the lighter for it. And thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.